Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is triangles. In this question, it is well known fact in mathematics that the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. We are given the two angles of the triangle and we have forgotten the third one. So we need to print the third angle of the triangle. So in the input format, we'll be given two integers a and b representing the two angles of the triangle that we remember. And in the output format, in the output, we need to print a single integer representing the measure of the third angle, the angle which we have forgotten in degrees. In the constraints, we are given that a comma b lies in between 1 and 180. And the sum of the two angles is less than 180 degrees. That means the triangle is a valid triangle. So in the first sample input, we are given 60 and 60 as the two angles. Now the third angle will be 60 minus 180 minus 60 minus 60, that is 60 only. In the second sample input, we are given the two angles as 1 and 1. So in the output, we need to print 180 minus 1, that is 178, which is the answer. Now, in general, for a solution, all we need to do is print 180 minus a minus b, which would be the answer. So let us see the solution in Python first. So we'll take in the input of A and B using this. Now what are we doing here? We're first of all taking the input of the whole line as a string and splitting them with respect to spaces. So it will give us a list of strings. Now we'll convert that list of strings into a list of integers using this map function and map them inside A and B. Now in the end, we'll print 180 minus A minus B, which would be our answer. Now let us see the solution in C++. We'll begin by taking in the input of A and B using Cin, and we'll print our answer, which is 180 minus A minus B using Cout. And that is pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing a very few number of operations. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks.